It's your world.
Shaka on the beats, Shaka on the beats, Shaka on the
This is D. Frank, and you're riding in the black ScatPack.
Shotgun the beats. Shotgun the beats. Shotgun the beats. Shotgun the beats.
What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy D. Frank. Finally back with this black ScatPack, and see, we got the hood popped up, and yeah, we gonna finally do the oil change in it on our own. I haven't had this thing almost 4 years, and yeah, let's get to it. I'm gonna show you some of the supplies you need, and when you see me again, I'll be up under the car getting ready to do everything. Got right here, got your oil laid out, 0W40 full synthetic. Got my 3/8 torque wrench, 13 millimeter socket on it. And if you even check the engine fuel oil cap, you can tell you what kind of oil it suggests. I got 7 quarts. I got the oil filter in there. You'll need some kind of oil filter wrench when you go up under. I don't have it in the picture. And also have a cut off end of a water bottle for my catch can. We're gonna see how much oil is up in this thing after roughly a little over 6,000 miles. And it decided to rain on me when I was originally starting it, so I'm about to get ready to crawl up under this car and get soaked. Oh yeah, I also have my oil pan over there that I'm gonna use to let everything drain into. So getting to it was, let's get it in focus. There we go. You might have seen from my GoPro footage when I took the torque wrench, felt like I really didn't need it, so I ended up smacking my hand and wanted to scream a whole bunch of curse words. But see right there, I got it drained. It's slowly draining out, and once you get the bolt going, you can just untighten it with your hand, let it start flowing out a little bit, and then I'm gonna. All right, listen to it. It's coming on now that I done moved the bolt. Just letting it drain on now. How black that stuff is. and it's just about drained out. And once it gets drained completely out, once it get through draining, I'm gonna get up under it and get that oil filter up off there, and then it's gonna be all downhill from here. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and add this too. The reason I didn't have a little splash guard to take off there, because one of the last times I took the car in for an oil change, the dealership took it off there and didn't put it back on there, and it took me realizing when I got up under here to change the fender linings out that it was missing. So yeah.
Shock on the beats. 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 Shock on the beats.
Right here, so where the oil filter at. About to get me an oil filter wrench or a pair of oil filter pliers and twist this sucker up off here pretty good. It's up in there pretty tight, so I'll come back to you once I get it up off here. Alright, y'all might have seen. Alright, everybody, y'all might have seen me struggling with some GoPro footage, but let me try to balance. See, you might be able to see that I got the oil filter finally turning, and I'm gonna go ahead and completely screw it off, and then we'll be on the downhill side of getting this oil changed. Alright, everybody, we got the oil filter completely off there. Just look at that mess. So now I'm gonna take this oil filter right here and do everything in reverse order. Put a little bit, gonna clean off the surface, make sure there's not any dirt or anything on the gasket or in the tread. Yeah, the tread from when we screw it back in there. Gonna coat it with a little bit of fresh oil on that gasket, and then we're gonna put it back up in there, and then we'll top the engine, and we'll go up in here and top the engine oil off. Hey, sometimes life happens and you forget your funnel, so I'm using this best thing. So yeah, shit. Put our 7 quarts up in here. And as you're filling, you want to take your time filling. You want to make sure that you peek under the bottom. Make sure your bolt is up in there secure, so all the oil that you put up in here, you want to make sure that it's not coming out on the ground. And it's not, so we're going to keep going. I'm gonna take the dipstick off. There we go. Just like that, the oil's changed. Take your makeshift funnel off. Recap this.
Shock on the beats. 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 Shock on the beats.
Look at that. If you think the oil catch can is a gimmick, I'll let you look at that. That's over 6,000 miles worth of gunk that was prevented from going back into the manifold, man. YouTube, that's about it. Oh, hold on. Try to get rid of y'all a little bit too soon. Okay, now I'm back. Now I'm gonna get rid of y'all for real this time. So that's pretty much all it is to changing the oil. Some people make it seems like it's a lot more complicated than it really is. Honestly, the worst part of this was getting that oil filter out of there. It's usually like that when you take it to a place and let them change it and you do it for the first time. So this is the easiest vehicle I've done an oil change on. So that being said, if you found the video useful, share it. Comment, subscribe as always, man. I appreciate all the support I've been getting over the years. I know I've been slacking, but it is what it is. So if you see me in these same clothes, y'all already know I'm about to do something. I done shot this the same day and I'm about to get ready to do something else with the vehicle. So, and that's what I'm about to go do. So y'all stay tuned to part 2. I'm about to go take these jack stands from the front, put them on the back, and I'm gonna change the diff fluid next. So yeah, y'all take it easy. I'll see y'all in the back.